Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact package and a database file. Install Microsoft. Data. SQLite with NuGet and add the using directive, then create a SQLite connection pointing to a local DB file. Open the connection immediately so you can verify the file is created and accessible. Once done, run a simple pragma or select one to confirm connectivity. Make sure to run in a try block so you catch permission or path errors early and act on them. Next, define your schema and data flow. Use SQLite command and parameterized SQL to create table and perform insert. This avoids injection and type issues. For multiple operations, begin a transaction to drastically improve performance and ensure atomicity. Execute commands with execute non-query for DDL/DML or execute reader for queries, and map reader fields to your C hash model types carefully. If you need performance, prepare statements and reuse them rather than recreating commands repeatedly. Finally, query and tidy up. Use execute reader to fetch rows and convert columns with typed reader methods. Close the reader before committing. Always dispose connections and commands with using statements to release locks. If you need concurrent writers, set journal mode equals WAL and enable foreign keys with pragma. Make sure to handle busy exceptions with a retry/backoff. If things go wrong, the single most useful tip is to enable SQLite logging or capture the exact SQL and parameters to reproduce the failure locally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.